Welcome to our tutorial about the Save File dialog control. In our previous tutorial, we opened a text file using the Open File dialog control. Well, the Save File dialog control is very similar to the Open File dialog control. Let's check it out. First, I'll grab the control and drop it in the form. Now let's go to our code window. Let's write some code. The first line. Save file dialog 1 period filter equals, and we'll enter the filter string. Text files. Open parenthesis, asterisk, .txt, close parenthesis, then a pipe, another asterisk, .txt, and let's close the quotations. Let's go to our next line. Save file dialog 1, period show dialog, and then open and close the parentheses. Lastly here, instead of the hard-coded file path, we'll insert Save File Dialog 1, period, file name. Now let's click outside to check for syntax problems and run our program to see how it works. We're going to enter some text in the text box. Now let's click Save to File. We're prompted with the Save As dialog window. Let's enter a name for our file and then click Save. Now let's go verify the contents of the file. Looks good. Here's the stuff we typed in the text box. Let's go and see what happens if I try to save my file as a .document. A .doc, that's a Word document. Let's save and then go verify. Open up the .doc document. And here we see the contents of our text box. Let's stop the program, go back to our code. We'll enter a filter description and a pattern for Word documents. Word space document space open parenthesis asterisk .doc close parenthesis pipe asterisk .doc. The asterisk is the symbol above the number 8 on my US keyboard. We run our program again, type in some random text, and let's click Save to File. Now when I try to save, I've got two options, either text file or Word document. And this concludes our tutorial about the Save File dialog control.